Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know the difference between embedded chart and charts on chart sheets in Microsoft Excel. You see here, I have plotted my data in Excel over a chart, and the data in the chart or figure is on the Excel sheet. I can change the size of this chart by dragging it this way or this way, and similarly I can change the position of the chart over the page. I can adjust this anywhere, and I can do all the other processes. For example, I can change the width of the line, the colors of the line, and all the other thing by selecting the chart and coming to chart design, and I can do anything I want with this. I can change the background, I can change the color, but there is a little problem presented in this way. For example, if I want to print the figure directly from here, the printer will print the figure as well as the data on the sheet. And if you're not interested to do that, you can. So in order to avoid that, you first need either to save the figure in PDF, and that you can do by selecting the figure, coming to File, and you can either use the export option or can use save as. And I want to change the name from here. You can use any name for this. And then from the second option, drop down menu, you select PDF option and then clicking save. This has already been saved, but I click the OK button and I come to my folder to watch it in the PDF format. And you see it is now saved here in the PDF format. You can print the figure by importing this to PDF. That is one way. And there's another option. You can do it directly from here by moving the figure to chart sheet. That you can do by first selecting the figure like I have already selected, and then come to the chart design tab, and on the chart design tab come to move chart. So if I click this option, this window appears. In there again I have two options, one objects in, and you see here sheet 1 is selected, and because I'm here already working in sheet 1, and I want to move this to sheet, new sheet. So I select this option and then click OK. You see now the figure is moved to a separate sheet, and you see here chart 3 appeared, so it is a separate chart, and I can directly now print the figure from this location by pressing Control P, and the printer will print the figure only. And remember, you can do all the processes or the action like you can do with the figure on sheet 1. If I want to change the color or width of the line, I come to the format tab and I come over here and I change the color of the line. Similarly, I can change the axis. For example, I come to home, and on the home I change the color to green, let's say. So I can do that, all those processes like we can do when the figure is on worksheet. And if you want to take the figure back to a sheet, you again select the figure, then come to chart design, and again to the same option, move chart. If I click this, I come back to the same window, and I switch from new sheet option to object in option. And if I click OK, the figure would be taken back to sheet 1. And you see now I'm back on sheet 1. So this way you can switch between embedded figure and figure on chart sheets. Thanks for watching.